Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Pips Valley. I'm your boy trader. I'm killing the markets like each and every week. For this week, we're gonna do a review of last week and also what we expect going forward for this week. So it's a Forex analysis on about 5 pairs. But before I do that, I just wanna let you guys know that trading is very difficult, but once you're focused, you should be good. Keep your charts clean, simple strategy. Yes. So for last week, we traded, I think, 3 times, AUD, USD, and the New Zealand JPY to finish the week. Cool, and I think they were all buy moves. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you real quick, guys. So quick and fast. So I think the first buy move we took is this one. Oh, that was on the 10th, I believe. Yeah, something like that. So first, to come to the daily, I do a little check. You see what you need to see. And see, like the market is in a bullish phase, right? So what I did, I dropped down to my little 15 minutes confirmation time frame. Zine, I'm gonna say, oh, all right. So this was the previous date. So this would be the 9th of March. So we get a bullish candle, and that is why I use this to market on the daily. So for the next day, which over here, which will be the 10th, I'm looking for a nice, market structure to be formed. It is the market way of telling me, yo, we're ready, So get ready. Be patient and wait for the break, because I'm a breakout trader. So once I see this, it's like, all right, cool. And then we go down on the lower time frame to pull the trigger. So this was it. All right, so we had a break, entered here, stop loss there, retest once. So this would probably be what you call a double bottom. I had a confirmation for us. So you don't know. Put a buy right here. And stops below the higher low. And then if I enter once, this is not really normal, but I'll do 1-to-1. If I enter once, if I enter twice, I'll go for the 40 pip, and my TP would be taken out right here. So that would be that's the first trade setup for the week. I think I entered it twice though. Yeah, my memory is not very good these days, guys. Stay with me. And then the other setup we did was on the New Zealand JPY. I think it was a buy as well. So let me jump back to my daily real fast. All right, so wait 1 second. Fix up a chart. All right, so what would I do? Let's say, all right, previous day. So you see that's the 10th. So the 11th will take the trade plan, which would be Friday gone. Zine, same concept. Daily I push up. You say, all right, then let's say I would find 15 minutes. Now we just check. When I just enter, so that we get your confirmation. The same thing that you would backtest. Because in this trading world, backtesting is key and proper risk management. So this was the 10th of March. All right, we did nothing on that day, so we just watch it. And then the next day we'd use the momentum, which would be on the 11th. So we say, let's see if the momentum is still there, buyer is still in the market, right? And again, same patient, well, different patient, but same treatment. And we saw, we saw the formation, guys. So for those who are not really, who can just look and see it, you see proper market structure. the impulse move and the pullback. Seeing that way, wait for. If we don't see that, I don't know, say, just go find something else and do. We don't really force it around here. Just wait patiently. Because when you get your setup, when you get your entry, it's a high probability trade, this. Seeing? And I think we take 2 entry on this one as well. I don't know. I won't really go for a lot of pips. So really a lot size it's all about. So no worries. So below the low, or if you're about 20 pips same way, and 20, this is 26 pips. So TP1 for me was, you know, may not look good. You can't talk to me. All right, see the 20 pip was there. See, in the market, I think push about 25, but may just take it there. When I wake up actually, to say TP mash up. So that's it, guys. I would say this is $1 million strategy, if you ask me. Those were the 2 trades. So it's essentially 4 trades because I entered twice on each. Yeah. And I some do it, some do my thing. And I trade every day. When I wanna work, that I work. The day I get up, I look on chart and I try to enter. We don't do those things. Easy going and still make the money in. All right, so I'm gonna run through real quick some. What I think the market are gonna do based on what's going on around the globe. You know, Russia and Ukraine saga still up on us, so we still have to keep that in mind. That will definitely, I think that's what for the past 2 weeks influenced the market movements more over like the news, you know. So this is GA. So we'll jump on a weekly really quick so we can match up. All right. All right, so this is GA on a weekly. So instantly, some key areas that I look for really quick. So it's the one. All right, that's the major level that you understand. The market hug it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 touches on a weekly, joking thing. But if this should continue, should just consolidate, break this zone. Worst case scenario, guys. And how much pips that? Yeah, look, I want good. Tell me 1200 pips, you know. So, you know, for that move, like, it'll take maybe like a month or 2, 3 months. But at the moment, so at here, I just feel like if I can come back right here and touch at least. See? So let me visit the daily time frame so we can chop it up. All right, so far we get some buying opportunity, but we don't trade this pair. We would have gotten a buy in here. And it would have seemed as if it would, you know, retest and continue up, but yeah, we didn't do that obviously. So it created a strong bearish candle, which pretty much engulfed all of these 3 candles over there, so for the 3-day. So getting a move back to this level, this zone is not very, wouldn't be surprising. Yeah, so we just take it down 1 step. 4 hour. It's our 4 hour look. See, so even if you did want to trade this, you have to wait till you get a break of this. Something like this, you can even go up, you know, getting some buyers into the market, and then you see a drop like this, and then something like this. You know, the market not really move in a straight line, you know, you have to collect the orders, and the people they won't trigger happy. And then Yeah, call it micro chunks. So the thing go, but one more better do better. You understand? So that's what I'm seeing. But any game can play. So any buyer interested in if ever thinking about buying, you have to deal with it above here. So if let's say it did actually break, say wait till it retest, and when this level break again, or depending on the candlestick pattern in this region, see, then you could take a buys right here. But I'm a breakout, so something like that. That's why you have to pre the market, so you have to deal with in that all your eyes and all these things. So but for me, I'll analyze on the 15. So 15 minutes. Right now, may I say this, and it pull back to the 51. See, fib level, good zone. 38, 51, and 61.8 are my zones. But you see, how it line up, it look like it line up with to break this. If we break this, be careful, proper, break, retest, then you do your thing. So we're gonna see what it look like. You don't know, you don't really know for sure where it's going. So you have to wait. So you can go retest this as a resistance and start make it way down, or you can easily break and take off. And that would, if you go up and break, break, retest and continue for the bullish move, definitely some really strong fundamentals would be behind that. Yeah, cool. So that's it for GA. Let's see what, let me see that one here. I want to map it over this. So this is the Euro New Zealand. Somebody they want me to create for them real quick. So not one of my faves either, but I don't know. All right, so the weekly. Now we just zoom out. It's our Google Maps view. Zoom right out. And then you switch by the market then on. All right, so actually everything come back to key levels this for the past week. See that level there? Strong down move. So at least we can expect just by looking at the weekly, possibly a down move to that level. Yeah. So that's what I can see so far in the week, because it's make a push, retest, and then buyers in this, well, depending on their take profit. And then it's just as I explained on the GF a while ago, it can really go up, and then you're not careful down with the little accounts. So let's see what the daily line. All right, so come back in the level, come back in the zone, created, buyers come in, push up, and then strong bullish, strong bearish. So you really just have to wait until this level is broken and retest. They really make any, final decision on your entry, right? Because it's not everybody use our strategy, so you have to be careful. But our strategy kind of protect us. Say, hey, the market, the candlestick tell you, yo, be ready, or leave it alone. So, right. So we're seeing 4-hour push back up, and then this is where we're at. Seem to be consolidating on the 4-hour. So jump to the 15 really quick. So have some wicks up here, low, high, low, similar level, So you got to be careful, fam. Said I don't trade this, but you want to wait until it breaks this level, high, low, and then you can think about a buy. If you want to sell, there's a big zone, but let's say it breaks this level, then you can possibly think about a sell, right? But of course, work with a daily time frame, the daily close of the candle, and you go with that momentum, that direction. Then you wait for your 15 minutes formation, and then you don't know, you pull the trigger. You can take it on a 15 or 5 minutes, doesn't matter. All right, so we're gonna go Euro USD. I didn't want this video to be so long, but yeah, kind of enjoy what I do, yeah. So we jump into the weekly. Boom. Euro USD. All right, so I support, and then it's back at it again. This was what, 2020, 2022. So again, I'm getting sell pressure. So based on what I'm looking at, so daily, let me see, get a push up, coming back down real hard. So we have to see how it interact with the zone. See, but I believe I didn't want it to do any analysis, but can't help myself. I think someone took this sell because they brought it to my attention and said, yeah, you can check it out. When they went to the 15 minutes, perfect entry. Perfect entry. Let me show you. So that was the Thursday. This was the 10th, and the 11th was the Friday, yeah. So you see, so now, boom. They bring it to my attention, and I say, yeah, man, that look good. And she never really want to enter it, but I tell her, I say, let's use a smaller that size, yeah, and don't just trust the system, trust the process. If you fear to enter, then obviously you never backtest enough. So you might want to consider that. And so said, so done. Everybody had fear at one point in time, but yeah, all the fear and fear about fear right about now. So see there, you 40 pips, and that would have give you a nice win. Understand? So next thing I want to look at real quick is gold. 1 second, let me go back here. Let me take it back a bit. For the USD, yes, so you have to see how it interact here. It can do this, can, you know, create double bottom, triple bottom, and then when this level is broken, can push up, come back up into this zone right here. If not, it's going to come down, consolidate, break, break this, and continue down. Can only do two things, guys. Well, two times should be in the market when it's going up or down. I don't do consolidations. I don't know. Stop it. Don't do that. So that's your USD, and then gold. Run through gold. So I think I was looking at it, guys. So all right, so weekly. When I look at it, it revisited this zone from 2020 and getting, you know, massive buyers buying pressure carry it down. So I was saying you could come back and revisit this level. So you could push down, could give it a little up move, and then So if you revisit this level, it won't be, you know, a surprise. And then we see what it do after that. That goal kind of emotional, you know. You have to be careful of goal. So you just wait. You're getting proper market structure to buy again from this level. So supply, I mean demand, pool. If it breaks, you know, you're looking possibly, you're looking about this if it breaks this level, guys. So just by looking at the weekly, so the daily, boom, see, push up and it can come down. 4 hour. See that? Lower high coming up. So we just have to wait, guys. Just wait. I would prefer to take a buy from here, or if it breaks this level, take a sell, break and retest, or if it even push up and break retest. It's safer that way, guys. So that's it for this week. But the news per se, let's have a quick glance. I think Wednesday is going to be your busy day. So let me see. I have a few tomorrow, Aussie monetary policy. Tuesday, US PPI numbers, and see Wednesday the 16th. Kind of busy unemployment rate for the Aussie, federal fund rate. I understand. So crude oil sales, these are big news, other than, you know, non-farm payroll and interest rate and stuff. And when Jerome Powell is going to speak, other than those are the bigger ones. But these move in the market. But bear in mind, Russia and Ukraine, guys. So just wait, better wait, and the best setup. Get the confirmations, and then, you know, big damage in the market. All right, guys. So that's it for now. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll try to do a midweek video, and, you know, on these pairs by Wednesday to see the update, give you guys an update on it. All right, thanks for now. See you in the week. Bye.